Today I will give you the instructions of how to use a kennel tag machine. Kennel tag machine is used to engrave the names of your pets on a metal tag. The machine that you see helps you do that. The machine is completely developed in India by the kennel team, including the hardware as well as the software. Now to use the machine, first you turn the power on of the machine and then you switch the machine on from here. Once you switch the machine on, the machine is trying to align itself. It will take 2 to 3 seconds. Once the machine is aligned, you are ready to use the machine. To operate this machine, you need to have an Android phone and an app which is available on Google Play Store. So we'll try to download the app from the Google Play Store. So you type Kennel Tag Machine. You see the app, you just click on it and you say install. So it's trying to download the app. It's installing the app and then you open the app. You open the app, it shows you the login screen which says the machine name and the mobile number. These details will be provided to you when you get the machine from Kennel team. You enter the machine name, you enter the mobile number. If it is invalid, it will give you an error. If it is valid, it will log you in and now you are into the app. To use the app, you need to first connect the machine to Bluetooth. So you go to the settings of your mobile. You go to your Bluetooth and you pair a new device. You will see Kennel Tag Machine appearing. You click on it and you say pin contains letters and symbols because the passcode is alphanumeric. So you enter KENNEL. This is the password to connect to the tag machine and you say OK. Once you press OK, it is connected now. So your mobile phone is now connected to the Kennel Tag Machine over Bluetooth. Now you go back to the app and connect the machine, pair the machine now. It's connected on Bluetooth, but the app needs to pair with it. So it will show the machine name. So you click on it. So it will try to pair it here. So it will try to align itself again. So this is only a one-time activity. Once you install the app on a new phone, then you go to the settings of Bluetooth, connect the Bluetooth of your phone, and within the app you connect. Once you have done this, then every time you don't have to do it. So now the machine is connected. So the first thing that we will do is eject so that the tray of the machine comes out. So you press eject and you see the tray coming out. I'll show you the tray of the machine. So you can see there are various types of tags that you can put in. You can put bone shape, small and big, a paw shape, a bell shape, small and big, oval, heart, small heart, big heart, and a bell shape. These are the various types of tags. So you can purchase that from the Kennel team and then you can use it for engraving. So I will show the demo with the bone tag of a big shape. So you place the machine tag on the machine, press it properly. Now we'll go to the app and see. Okay, now you see there are various options. You can select the various tag type. Since you have placed a bone tag, you'll select the tag type as bone. There are various fonts available: bold, bold, italic, italic, regular, normal. Bold is the one which is the default, which will the most prominently used, but you can select others and see which one you like. I'll select bold. And then the machine supports various languages. So these are the languages in which you can print the name tag. So we'll start say English. Now there are two lines you can print on the tag. If you print two lines, the name and the contact number, it will come on one side of the tag. The font might appear small, so we recommend using only one line. So I will say like the name of the dog, name of your pet, sorry. So I'm saying Rocky, and then I say engrave. So it will ask me to confirm. I say okay, it looks fine. Engrave it. So I say yes. So now the machine, the thing will go in the tray and is now engraving it. So after the engraving is done, the tag will automatically come out, and you see the name is engraved here on the tag. So you remove it and you can see the tag properly printed, the name. You can flip it over and enter a mobile number. So you go back to the tag and now you enter the mobile number here, and you say engrave and say yes. So after the engraving is done, the tray will come out and you see the number has been engraved. So now the tag is ready to use. Name on one side, number on the other side, and then you can put the ring here and give it to your customer. Okay. Now the good part of this machine is that you can engrave, as I mentioned, in different language. So let's see how to use a different language. So I will say I need to type Rocky again, but now I need it in Hindi. So I say Rocky, I select the language as Hindi, and I say engrave. So it gives us various options because it's translating. You have various, so you can say which you want Rocky with a matra, you want Rocky with a swara. So I say Rocky, the first one. So now it will go in. Do you say yes? So while selecting when you print in any language other than English, it will give you various options from which you can select whichever type of whichever the translation that you feel comfortable with. So the translation is done and the tag is printed, and let's see how it is printed. Is it beautiful? This is Rocky. Okay, remove the extreme metal pieces. Now this is Rocky. Now basically other good part of the tag is that you can print images as well. So when you click on this, it will show an image. You can select whichever image you want. So let's see a unicorn, this one. So automatically it shows in here and you say engrave. It should be English while selecting the image. Now you go in there. So the tag has come out with the unicorn image printed on it. So yeah, you see a unicorn image being printed on a tag. Wonderful. So now once the printing is done and you are done with the customer, you are done with the printing of the tags, you can say to go in. So once you go in, press go in, the tray goes inside, and then you switch off the machine and the work is done. So now let's see how the image that we printed, the tags that we printed, they look. This is the name Rocky, this is the number that's printed, this is the image that's printed, and this is the translation of Rocky in Hindi. Great. Thank you.